guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have already added my foundation on and did my eyebrows as well. Firstly, I am going to be grabbing my You Can Be Athena face painting palette, as this will be for the freckles. And then the brush or tool that I am going to be using is from a nail set of tools that it has a ball pointy like tool so that it is easier for you to make a perfect circle, and it helps you control the size because there is a smaller size at the end, like the other end of the tool also, and the pigmentation of the amount added. The shade that we are going to be grabbing is the light or brown shade depending on the color of your skin, as same goes like for example on the foundation shade that you use. The makeup look that I am going to be doing today is the orange makeup look, or we can also call it the half orange sliced makeup look, or the other way around, sliced orange makeup look. And then just add it on the areas on where I have shown you guys. Next, this is optional on you if you want to use a pink blush on your cheeks beside the freckles, as we don't want to put it on or as a base to where you will be adding the orange slices. Moving on, we are going to the orange slices process. That next, I am going to be grabbing my pointy thin small brush and grabbing the bright orange shade. I think you guys can start anywhere, to be honest, on which orange slice you are going to be comfortable, whether the curve or the straight line, because you will have to look at the angles later on, and I will show you that in a while. Now, like a guide tip, just below the freckles and your nose as a guide, also on the size and where to place the orange slice. And then we draw a nice curve where it's like a half of the circle. Next, I am going to be grabbing my flat brush and then just filled in the rest of the same orange color that we used as the outline color, as flat brushes help to not smudge outside the lines. Now, for the inside color of the orange, let's grab this yellow color and use a small thin pointy brush again. And then we would like to draw this small half of a circle, and don't forget to leave a small space on top of the smaller version to give that orangey effect like, and just keep applying until you get the pigmentation that you are looking for. Next, on the curves, just do the same to what I did and leave that kind of space. Moving on, next for the lines, this can be very tricky because you need to make every side of it very even, like equal or like fair, something like that, and then that it would be balanced, like whatever the left version has goes the same with the right side. I added 6 lines overall, and it is good to have an even number rather than an odd number of lines, because if you have 5 lines then it won't be balanced. But I think it will be depending on your guys' like creativity if you want to opt for the odd number of lines. Also, this will be depending on the space on what your orange has, like how many lines you also want to put or apply. Now, I am going to be doing the same thing on the other side as well. Now for the eyeshadow process. First, I am going to be grabbing my concealer and blend it in place. I am going to be grabbing my Beauty Bay Bright Matte eyeshadow palette and going to be using the Tangerine Dream mostly, but you can also use the shade Koi, K-O-I. That sometimes you can mix it depending on your liking on the color or pigment that you are trying to target or achieve. The makeup brush that I used is a eyeshadow brush, or you can also use the eyeshadow angle shading brush to blend in the orange. I am starting off on my crease, then to the lid. Also for the lid, just like the eyeliner part, I added a small portion of Hello Sunshine, which is like a yellow shade. The eyeshadows are going to be applied on the outer V, crease, and the lower lash line. I also used a flat brush. You can use any flat brush. That I used Hello Sunshine on my tear duct. Next, I am going to be grabbing my eyeliner pen and apply my eyeliner on. And then I also applied my false eyelashes on. Next, I don't know if you guys would agree on this, but if you have a lipstick that's orange, then it is better, as I used my You Can Be Athena face paint palette and used the same orange that I used for the orange slices, that I thought why not try to make it a match. And then I used a thin flat brush, or you can also use a lipstick brush for this process. This makeup look is not originally made by me, although I was inspired by someone who did it on Pinterest as well. That will be all now for my video, guys. Hope you guys loved the video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button to get notified to whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys!